Now, let me shock all of you. All of now for this group, let me bust your head today. Immediately I come out. All this while when I calm down, now they walk on low-key every day. You see this group chat in my hand. I know so now they confused. Now don't they ask on ourselves who snitch. I paid more than 20 million naira to get this. Boys, they work steady. Oh hard, they tell you. They work steady to make sure say this thing in my hand. I see K Solo, they go different chats. Sam Clef possible. Sam Clef, they run like headless chicken. Confused. For the very first time, Iyabo look at comment section, they write with ChatGTP. Like baby grammar. You know, make video. You can go on live and make videos. Make videos. Go on live. I see people always do. All of you are confused. You don't know how it started. You don't know how to act because you never imagined that this thing will come to me. When I say when I send me go sell, I'll keep quiet for the boy justice. I didn't keep quiet. I spend money, bros. Now, when I don't go back again, I see some Clef now. He don't know what to do. He start to post video of mohbad when mohbad they cry. I thank God for all the people. Everybody I don't open. He start to post. Next thing he asks, who snitch? Next thing, he's confused. I see blogs. See all of them. They don't activate blogs again. But I'm sorry to let you all know this. I'm not trying to be proud right now, but it is what it is. All the blogs on that they engage. Insta blog, this small blog, Gossip Me. All these bloggers, you people engage. Go and check the engagement and check my own. All of them put together. They don't stand where I did. They keep saying they don't pay Verydarkman. None of them don't ever post receipt or evidence. Now only me they bring evidence. If I talk say you do, you do. Now, Aloma Dmw, you posted something in this group chat on the 2nd of October 2023. This was just 20 days after mohbad died. Now you post these things for this group chat. And this thing where you post, it fear me. Especially because of what happened recently. I fear. On the 2nd of October, Aloma Dmw posted this. He said, looking like the whole thing will be on the nurse's head. How did you know that everything will end up on the head of the nurse? You know why I am shocked? Because of this.
The coroner's inquest into the controversial death of Afrobeat star mohbad was wrapped up in Lagos State with a call for the prosecution of the unlicensed nurse Feisayo Ogedegbe, who treated him before he died.
So this was what the coroner inquest court ruled in 2025, 2 years after mohbad died. But Aloma Dmw knew this in 2023, just 20 days after mohbad died. Say this thing will end up for the end of the nurse. In my own opinion, it looks like these people had a discussion and there was a plan A and a plan B. If them Naira will not take the fall, the nurse should take the fall. You see something now? Is it possible that this nurse is even innocent? Because what this seems, it's looking like, wait a minute. These people are actually covering up something and trying to push the public towards something else entirely. Because how did Aloma Dmw know in 2023, just 20 days after mohbad died, say everything will land up for the head of the nurse? And we all are just discovering that in July, on the 11th of July in 2025, 2 years after. But this one don't even bust my head. Dre Dmw now said to voice note, Jigon now said, man, nothing concerns us with the nurse. Do you understand? If the nurse said plan with them, make them release her pictures. Blackmail. The truth can never come out. It is only what we want that will come out. Something else that these people know. Aloma Dmw now responded to the voice note of Dre Dmw, that Davido PA. He now said, okay, let's wait till Friday. I am telling you this. I know be anti-Kemi or Verydarkman guy, but know this, I won't talk if I never hear something. Aloma, what did you hear and what did you know? And how did you know this thing will end up in the head of the nurse? 20 days after mohbad died, you knew it. And we are just discovering this in 2025, 2 years after mohbad died. Tonto Dikeh now posted this. Tonto Dikeh now said, as for Naira, it is obvious someone is protecting him, and we need to start attacking their sponsors without calling names. Anybody where just want talk in their favor, blackmail straight. You see the pattern? Attacking people without calling their names. Once anybody just want talk against waiting them one push, it's a problem. She didn't stop there. Said we need to weaken their link by association, by disgracing them. I like how the royal family came out to disown Sam Larry. Agenda they cry, narrative they cry. Why didn't anybody ask him that how far? Why did you say it is the nuns that we take the fall? It is because they knew, all of them, they knew. In my opinion, they knew.